Yo, what is up, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in for another video. So this video is gonna be a little different. I forgot my my camera at home, so yeah, I just upgraded to the new iPhone 11 Pro. So I'm gonna be testing out the wide-angle lens. So far, it's pretty dope. So yeah, I don't know if the audio is gonna be good. I mean, it should be. It's a new phone, but so far the video looks pretty good. So yeah, it's just gonna be for this video. I moved recently, so I can't just go pick up my camera. It's like a 40-minute drive. So yeah, guys, this whole video is gonna be through the iPhone 11 camera, but it's still gonna be lit nonetheless. What's up, G?
What's up?
What's up, bro? Hey, nothing. So my kit just came in the mail the other day. So it's a flocking kit for the dash. It's black. I don't know if you guys have seen these on like other cars, but they do them on drift cars, classic cars, all types of cars actually. But it should look pretty sick for the Civic dashboard. So it gave me some adhesive, some brushes, some gloves. So first things first, I'm gonna wipe down the whole dash, clean it, make sure it's nice, clean and dry. And then I'm gonna take off the dash from the rest of all this. Just removed the top portion of the dash. Now it's just like the structure of it. We got the skin right here. What's up, Leo?
What up?
Dab myself up. Alright guys, so the instructions say you add the flock right after putting the adhesive. So we're only gonna do like half of it first because it says you immediately put on the flock. So one of us is kind of just gonna like sprinkle it on from the bag while the other person puts the glue. So we're gonna do half of it first and see how it comes out. Damn, that shit is strong. It's strong as glue. Black.
I guess that's something.
What?
Strong glue.
Why does this guy do?
I don't know. You know him?
No.
God damn it. At least I got a new phone.
Yeah, look at the way his brush strokes.
You know why his name is Leo?
What?
This is Leo.
What? What? Yeah, alright.
Alright.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, alright.
Man, this is trying.
I hope there's enough left for the door panels. That looks sick.
I'm gonna do it.
It was $50.
Oh yeah. Go.
How do you like? There you go.
Shake that shit. Shake that shit.
So this is how it's looking so far. It's still drying. Once it's dry, then we'll like brush the rest and like get it nice and flat all around. But so far it's looking pretty good, guys. I fuck with it. Although, guys, if you plan on doing this, just beware. It does get hella messy. It's basically like powder, so yeah, just be aware of that, guys. If you plan on doing it, it's super messy. In the kit, they gave us like gloves and masks, but of course,
We don't listen to anything.
yeah, we don't use things that are meant to help us. So, all right, guys. So we brought it out to the sunlight. Now we can see a few patches. So we're gonna need to go over it twice just to make it like a nice even coat all around. But it's not looking too bad right now. All this is just gonna it just comes off. So not really worried about that. It's gonna look good in the end. Damn, Leo got the fucking J-Max for. What's up, Marcel?
Sorry, fool. Damn, you filming on the 11 now?
I forgot the camera, so I mean, you know,
It's probably low-key better than the camera.
I mean, it's a nice white watch. Look how this shit looks.
Ooh, bro, you need to sell that shit. Sell the camera.
Yeah, so I don't think it'll be bad, you know. The vlog will do just fine. I forgot my camera, so whatever.
Probably better.
Honestly, I just don't know how the audio sounds. It should sound good though.
You watch me.
Hella windy.
Everyone's watching it now, like,
Can't
hear fuck what you say.
Headphone user.
Let's trade him the SGK for it.
You're not down.
Let's do it. Let's do it right now. You want the wheels? Got you. And then Jesse's trading these later. What are you trading them for?
These nuts.
Lines, hopefully.
Some what?
Some Euro D's nuts.
Ah, okay. I see you.
Hopefully, you know, just working out.
So what you rolling on right now?
Shit, Leo gave me some stocks. You know, I had a rock real quick.
Ooh!
Look at that Fitment.
Damn, bro.
See that left front camera though?
Hey, bro, is it supposed to be like that?
At all.
Hey, fuck it, fuck it. Damn, this shit fast. Woo! Alright, alright, guys. So we going squad deep. Leo is selling the car, so he's gonna go get an alignment. Look, guys, you guys don't want to buy us a pussy magnet. Look, it's running away. Anyways, so yeah, he's gonna get an alignment real quick. So yeah, guys, whoever picks up this car, you're gonna have one solid daily.
That's what I'm saying.
Damn, you guys big chilling back there, huh?
I am.
Damn, you still got hella room, Marcel. I'm chilling right now too. Y'all sleeping on this. Alright, guys, so right now we're waiting for the alignment. We out here, posted up. Got my boy Big T hooking this up. Damn, bro, it's your Civic?
I'm sitting in there, aren't I?
Ha, good, but shit, what's up, bro?
Hey.
Hey, I like the new wheel setup.
Man, I want to slam it. Fuck these wheels.
Oh yeah, broke boys.
They just don't have the.
What's up, bro?
Bro, you already know. Hey, what's that say? I don't know. Signs on this side, but nigga, we out here at Candles tires. My boy getting a diamond.
Candle
You feel me?
bass on you.
Candle, yeah, shit. Candles tires.
Hey, put it in reverse. Put it in reverse. Come on, don't stall it. You got this.
No, stop. Turn the camera off, Andy. Andy, turn the camera off. Andy, stop. Andy, stop.
You got this, bro. You got it. There you go.
Is that reverse?
Yeah. Just give it gas. Give it gas. Bro, come on.
You don't hear it?
You're in 6.
Oh,
There you go. There you go.
I don't know how to work it, so.
Where's your port at?
Now we start
Hey, bro, you better crash into the wall.
He's like, you go make me work. That shit on big.
Hey, the Civic is done.
And it's gone.
And it's gone.
Oh!
And that's gone. Alright, bye.
He said he needs to beg you.
Later.
Why did I pee? I was over there.
Oh, wow. Damn.
Try again, take 2.
Hey, I didn't hear nothing.
Yeah, I'll just edit that out. Hey, watch out.
Bow! It's
Hey, I'm not editing it out. Fuck, I'm not editing it out. Alright, guys, so his alignment's done. Now we're just gonna hop in there. Wait for the mans. He's handling the pay, you know. Get in there. Fuck in there. Get in there.
Man, don't tell me what to do. I'm gonna get inside. Though.
Get in there. Fuck in there. Worthless. Both you worthless piece of shits, alright? Stay back there. Alright, guys, so the alignment took a little bit longer than we thought. It's already getting dark outside. They're actually going to leave right now in a little bit to go pick up the wheels that Jesse's trading for. So, yeah, I'm only going to have enough time to be able to do like a couple more coats on this because I missed a few spots, but now that it's dried, it looks pretty badass. Just going to go over it a little bit more. Oh, yo. Unplugged. Alright, guys, so I'm continuing the vlog. I'm filming off my phone again just because the whole vlog was off my phone, so I'm gonna just finish up the vlog on the phone. But after looking at it, we had a lot of like high spots. It's because we don't have that pump that a lot of people use and it just kind of like sprays all over. We're just doing it out the bag, so a lot of the pieces were like in big chunks, so we're sanding them down, getting all the high spots out. But now it's all pretty much smooth, so we're gonna give it another shot. What we did buy though, you already know. I'm gonna try this, see how this shit works. Yeah, so I'm gonna just sprinkle it on there. So yeah, should look clean once we go over it again. So Let's get it. Alright guys, so we went over it and it looks so much better. It's not like raised bumps all over the place. It looked like I had acne before, but yeah, now we're just letting it dry. It looks pretty good, guys. I'm really happy with it.
You see all the flock falling off?
Yeah, the wind is blowing some of all the excess flock off, but looks good, guys. I'm really happy with it. Can't wait to throw it in the Civic.
You better.
Now we're gonna work on this. I'm gonna try to turn this into like a floating dash. So I'm gonna cut it off right there on both sides, and then I'm gonna take this off right now, and then I'm gonna paint it black. So should look pretty cool. I was gonna use this cutoff wheel, but this shit looks like it's about to explode. So I'm gonna just go to the store real quick, and then we'll be able to cut this shit off, and then we'll be painting it black as well. And by that time, that should be dry, and then we'll be able to put this back together. Should look pretty dope, guys. Wait, what were you driving on?
This bad man pajama.
Fuck,
That
dude.
shit's popped out and crooked.
No, I mean,
You're
Like
savage.
your mama.
Wow.
that happened.
Alright, guys, Leo just got down with the smooth cuts.
If you want to
Check out this whole piece. Now it's looking more like a floating dash. Hey, what's going on over here?
Give a fuck.
Yo, hey, calm down, bro. What's going on? What's the problem?
Well, no, I'll just explain him my control line. Saying how I just sprayed the primer on it with the water still underneath it, but I don't care because it's welded.
Hey, do you care?
Ask me if I care.
Do you care?
I don't care.
Does he care?
He doesn't care. I don't care.
Alright, guys, you already know we got the professional. So we got the professional paint booth set up. You already know the deal. Found this header paint. It's black. So we're just gonna. No, it's the header paint. Yeah, we're just gonna paint this shit black, guys. Let's get it. Guys, you see this shit? Look. Bruh. That's what it looks like. It's not perfect. It's not really gonna be seen, but just a little bit, so that's why just painted it black. We ran out of the header paint, so switched over to a gloss black, so it's kind of random. Some like satin black, and then there's like some glossy black. But whatever, doesn't look too bad. Just waiting for it to dry, and then we're gonna slap on the dash. Alright, guys. I just put back the vents. Looks so good. Now I just need to get the airbag delete and then the center console delete. And you guys can pretty much imagine what this thing is going to look like. But I'm so happy with it. Once the cluster's in there and everything, it's going to look so nice once it's in the car. I'm really happy with it. Hey, what's up, buddy? Hey, have I showed you your new wheels? I don't think so.
Oh, what happened to your
Actually, I have. Oh, my camera? That's a new camera, bro. You don't like it?
It's a phone.
That's a fucking camera.
It's a phone.
How am I recording?
Which one am I going off on? There's
phone.
3 on there.
Whatever one you want to look at.
1, 2, 3. I'm sorry.
So yeah, right now Leo's just fixing something real quick before he sells it, but after he fixes his check engine light, this thing's gonna be up for sale. So probably up for sale tomorrow, probably. You gonna buy it, Jesus? You're not gonna buy it?
No.
You gonna buy it?
No.
What about you? You trying to buy it, Marcel?
Bro, I already got like 2 cars. I don't need another one.
That's true.
I sell it. I'll sell a CRV for this. Just straight, Leo. All right. You can take
For real, dude. I wish I had the money to buy it.
CRV.
I'm gonna end off the video right here. I'm super happy with how this came out. Slowly, I just need to put the interior back together. I still want to paint the red that's inside the interior. I'm gonna paint it the same color as the engine bay. And then once we throw this in there, the interior is gonna look super mint. So happy to be putting it together. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like if you did, subscribe if you guys are new. See you guys in the next video. Hey, so it's gonna be in the next video?
No.
Fuck no. You ain't gonna see that food till like next year.
That's
I got
true.
lucky this past month. But
That's true, dude. You've been like in the videos like 3 times at least.
I don't like it.
Yeah, me neither, bro. Alright, guys. See you in the next one. Fucking hate that guy.